Hello, this video will help you to understand how Idukki as AI-powered UGC marketing platform can help you to collect authentic content from various social media platforms, including LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, or Google Reviews, TripAdvisor. Let's start creating our content. So that's the first part where we collect the UGC from various social media platforms such as support TripAdvisor, Google, YouTube, Instagram. Let's start with Instagram. You can choose any hashtag, part of your hashtag campaign. In this case, let's choose Western Hotel. After verifying the hashtag, you got the right one. We'll start with at this time, Idukki as a platform talks to Instagram and brings the posts by decluttering any low engagement post, applying the profane filters, which helps to keep the post and feed clean. You can do all those filters yourself to work out. Various posts have got the sentiment scores attached to it, which tells you that if there is an excitement going on within the post with all the positive talk, it shows the green 100%. You can download any particular post for your offline usage, or you can go with the rights management where you can ask for the rights to be acquired, and Idukki as a platform will monitor the post. Once you get the rights, notifies you, or download it as you go. You can also tag your products, in this case your rooms. So for example, start with booking this suite as your various products goes, whatever you want to book for, or direct them to any booking page where there is more content. As you scroll through, you get more and more posts. You can hide any specific post which doesn't resonate manually. For example, you may want to hide this post. You can pin any specific post which go on. You want to post it always on the top of the widget. You can pin multiple posts, or you can tag multiple products. Platform comes with multiple filters, location filters, profile filters, right statuses, upload date, verified profiles only. Platform automatically syncs with Instagram every 24 hours, but you can do a manual sync, or you can request for much more quicker syncs. Second step is to tell the platform that you would like to curate it to different layouts based on where you are posting it as a widget on your digital TV screen or on your websites. So the platform comes pre-built with multiple layouts which you can use for as it goes on the product pages or on homepage or on wall of love as a community building. It comes with a whole set of sections where you can customize it based on your need. You can add various campaigns, headers, and customize it as your brand goes. Final step, as a codeless platform, we generate the code for you, which is just few lines. You copy the code and apply it wherever you want to. It just gives you the URL, which you can use it on digital TV screens. And here the widget is ready. It will auto get synced. Wherever the user will click, they will see the actual value of the posts. Behind the scene, platform automatically starts capturing all the analytics so that you can repeat and understand what is going on with your post, what are your top influencers, what are the top posts. It helps you to analyze and repeat the behavior to get more value. Platform also comes with a dedicated page which you can use to collect more and more UGC based on this QR code. I hope you like the video. Any more clarifications, please contact us.